Hi, my name is Michael Ferns and I'm the chairman of the Goa Citizens Welfare Trust. We are here with our senior member and treasurer of the Goa Citizens Welfare Trust, Mr. Pushkal Kakodkar. This was a problem which we had taken up, where there are certain people who are using government land, okay, like the one that we are standing in right now, okay, where they are for the past, I think, more than 2 decades. Okay, this property has been which is belonging to the government, okay, has been occupied by a particular steel vendor, and
steel vendor. This is the person, another person.
Okay, this is some other person. Can you give some details on this, Mr. Kakodkar?
We have an office here on KB Naik.
KB Naik's office over here.
KB Naik.
Okay,
and this is acquired by them.
This has been acquired by them, which is
space of belong to municipality, Goa, Margao municipality. This and that.
There also, where he's dumped all his things at the side. Okay. This complaint has been taken to the municipality now almost I think 3 or 4 months back, right?
Yeah.
Almost 3 or 4 months back, and no action has been taken. Now this basically has been going on now for the past almost 2 decades, like I said. You know, almost 20 years that they have occupied this place. Further down, we have the similar thing where a steel vendor is occupying illegally government property, okay, and maybe just by paying some kind of a bribe. I don't understand how these people are managing it, but they are managing to take over a very vital property belonging to the government. Pause.
Yes.
Area is also basically a parking area for 2-wheelers and 4-wheeler parking, and as you can see that they have been illegally and things like that for the construction. And over here we also have a 2-wheeler mechanic who's also occupying vital area of parking. Goa today is having a big problem for parking space, especially in Margao.
Don't involve with the owners and all these people, local people.
This issue, this complaint has been made by us almost 6 months, 1 year ago, and the municipality has still not done anything. We have also given them a reminder call, and again, even after that reminder, they have not even informed us as to what is happening. But at the same time, if you go and give one minor complaint of somebody digging a road or something like that, immediately they give you a response. You know, so this is something that has to be looked at in a very, very serious manner. If we have to look at Goa being free from corruption and also people taking advantage, you know, and corruptions in government offices. This is exactly what I have been talking about. They're using government road. Okay, this is actually the road which has been stopped. Okay, for dumping of their old cars, you know, and all the material over here. As you can see, on both sides of the road, steel has been dumped. On one side we have steel plates, on the other side we have all these channels and I-beams which have been really heavy duty I-beams which have been dumped over here. Okay, and basically this entire area has been used by the steel vendor over here. Okay, this entire area for parking of his trucks, for loading, unloading, all the activities are happening over here on government land.
This is Eastern Bypass Highway actually.
And this is supposed to be the Eastern Bypass Highway, as I have just been mentioned by, have been told by Mr. Pushkal Kakodkar. You know, so all these illegal activities are going on for decades together, and nobody is even bothered, nor the government, nor the MLA, nobody is bothered to get this thing cleared. You know, as they have been blocking this area for I do not know how many years now. Okay, and depriving you know, citizens of having a proper road. You see, now over here people like these guys who are all big steel vendors, okay, who think by just paying you know, bribes to these corrupt people sitting in offices, especially in our municipality, okay, that you know, it can just go on. Now things have to stop and things have to be rectified, and for that we need the people to come up. Okay, we need the people to come up. And as you can see over here, again, this is becoming a dumping joint for everybody. All accident cars, everything has been dumped over here. So this is exactly the situation that we are facing today. And for this we need action to be taken immediately, and people to pay a price, okay, along with a jail term for taking up matters into their own hands. Thank you.